At the moment, the government, the cabinet, and the tax reform committee of the LDP, there are some differences in the positions and viewpoints at the moment. The LDP Tax Reform Council, the tax base expansion is the idea, so that the entire gap of reducing the CIT could be fulfilled. That is, by economic growth, tax revenue increase should not be factored in. But that is not the way of our thinking. Originally, what was wrong in Japan was expanding the economy was the solution, but there was not enough acknowledgement in a deflationary environment. Fiscal consolidation was implemented, social security shortfall were tried to be filled, but it was not possible. If the economy size expands, the nominal GDP rise, that does solve all the issues, but there was lack of acknowledgement. The nominal growth, if that rises, to enhance the nominal growth, that means it should be growth-oriented. Therefore, the fruit of the growth should be reinvested into further economic growth. Without this viewpoint, reform would not be successful. At least that is my personal observation. Next, the question is being considered, but the corporate income tax reduction, next fiscal year, the reduction will initiated. What is the reduction rate? What would be the speed of reduction? Within a couple of years, it should be within the 20% level, which is like 6% or so reduction is required in the coming couple of years. Couple of years meaning, in the case of common sense of Japan, it's like 5-year time frame. It's like about 5 years. When we say a couple of years, it would be a plus minus a little bit of 5 years. Over 5 years or so, then per annum, it should be 1.1 or 1.2 reduction. So keeping that speed of reduction in mind, year after year, the progress of Abenomics will be checked, the economic growth will be reviewed every year, and the rate reduction will be considered.